Chapter 9. A Clever Jackal. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Who lived in the pond? A. Crocodile. B. Jackal. C. Both. Answer: A. Crocodile. 2. Who was always thirsty? A. Jackal. B. Crab. C. Crocodile. Answer: A. Jackal. 3. Who helped the crocodile? A. Crab. B. Jackal. C. Monkey. Answer: A. Crab. 4. Was the crocodile actually dead? A. Yes. B. No. C. Half dead. Answer: B. No. B. Answer the following questions. 1. Why were the crocodile and the crab good friends? Answer: They were good friends because the crocodile could not eat the crab due to her hard shell. 2. Who was always hungry? Answer: The crocodile was always hungry. 3. Who was always thirsty? Answer: The jackal was always thirsty. 4. Who was clever? Answer: The jackal was clever. 5. Who was not very clever? Answer: The crocodile was not very clever. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. The crocodile lived in a pond. 2. The jackal was always thirsty. 3. The crocodile moved its tail. 4. The crab had a hard shell. 5. The crocodile had tears in his eyes. Writing zone. A. Write the plurals. 1. Crocodile, pond, friend, jackal, crab, tree. Pond, ponds. Friend, friends. Jackal, jackals. Crab, crabs. Tree, trees.